Hey guys, welcome to my Lightwhip tutorial series, and on this week's tutorial we are going to do a mini choreo. So I was asked by someone to create a fun combo challenge for you guys that uses some of my moves from my previous tutorials. So what I have decided to do is that since there are so many videos and so many moves that I've already done, I'm going to actually break this up into parts. So this first combo is going to be tailored towards a more beginner intermediate level, and they're going to progress in difficulty as I go, and I will be releasing different combos once a month. So before we get started on this week's combo, I just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button, as it does help to support my channel. And I also want to inform you guys that I will be hosting a giveaway with GlowFX and my friend Lexi on Instagram next week. So be sure to check that out, because in the giveaway we will be giving away a GlowFX whip. So if you do not have a whip yet, or if you don't have a GlowFX whip, definitely head over to my Instagram and give me a follow so that you can stay up to date with the giveaway and the rules and how to enter. So what I'm going to be doing is I will first show you guys what the combo looks like, and then we will break it down by each count of 8. So it's going to have 4 counts of 8, which means 32 counts in total. So that is our little mini combo for today. So let's get started. The first thing that you are going to do, you're going to wrap your whip into a circle. And then for 4 counts, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on 5, you're gonna bring your whip to the middle of your chest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what you're going to do, since your whip is in your right hand, so notice the way that it's wrapped. I have the handle in my right hand. So if you're right-handed, your handle is going to be in your right. If you're left-handed, it'll be in your left. So then what you're going to do, you're going to go over your head. So you're going to bring it over your head, and how you do that, you're just going to bring it from in front of you, and then you're just going to circle over your head and bring it back down. And when you bring it down, you're going to get ready to start your body lacing. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 8, what you are going to do, you're going to unravel your whip by just bringing it over your left wrist. So super simple to start off. 1, 2, 3, 4, to your chest, over your head for 2, and then unravel. And as you unravel, you're not just going to hold your whip like this, you're then going to start doing your body lacing. So you're gonna go for 1, 2 around your body, 3, 4 around your legs, 5, 6 around your body. And then what you're going to do, you're going to grab it in the back and make sure that you straighten it out, so that now you can bring it down over your left knee and then your right knee for an infinity trace around your knees. So once you've done your 7, 8 and you've done your infinity trace, then what you're going to be doing, you're going to be bringing it around your wrist and then around your body. So you're going to be doing a body trace, but you're going to be grabbing the fibers. So you're not just going to trace around your wrist, you're actually going to be grabbing it. So just a reminder, there are the different ways to body trace and body lace. You could actually grab the fibers when you're doing your body lacing, or you could just scoop your wrist under it and not grab the fibers at all. So for this move, you're going to be grabbing your fibers. When you're just doing it around your body and your legs, you can do it how you prefer. I personally prefer to kind of scoop my wrist into it when I'm doing my regular body lacing. So you've now just done your 5, 6, and then you're grabbing the fibers, and then you're gonna go 7, 8 for a knee infinity trace. And then you're gonna bring it in front of you and grip the fibers again for 1. You're gonna lace behind and grip the fibers on 2. And then on 3, you're gonna bring it in front of you and drop the handle. So you need to make sure you're gripping your fibers for that body lace. Otherwise, when you drop it, it's really just gonna drop to the floor. So after your 3 and it's now dropped, what you're gonna notice is that it's now going to be turning in the clockwise motion. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 1 circle, stall to the left, other side, stall to the right. And at some point when you're doing this, you need to switch hands. So it doesn't matter if you drop and stall and switch, or if maybe you first do your circle, you stall, and then you switch. It doesn't matter when, you just have to do the switch within this count of 8. Otherwise, for your next count, when you do your neck wrap, it's gonna be extremely awkward doing it with your left hand. So, doing that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then on 8, what you're gonna do is you're gonna stall to the left. So it's gonna go 7, 8. Now, doing those 2 counts of 8 all together, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, unlevel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are the first 2 counts of 8. Now we're gonna do the last 2 counts of 8, and then we're gonna put everything all together. All right, so moving on to our 3rd count of 8. We are going to be going from our 7, 8 stalls into a 3 count neck wrap. So make sure you are comfortable with neck wraps. Otherwise, this is about to get really difficult for you. So I do have a tutorial on wraps that go over neck wraps as well. So be sure to check that out if you haven't already. And if you know how to do it, then let's move on. So you're gonna go 7, 8. So stall to the right, stall to the left, and then you're gonna do a circle and get into your neck wrap. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you are doing, you are going to do a neck wrap, face the back. So make sure your body does a full 180 for you to face the back. And then you're gonna continue the whip in the same path. With your right, you're gonna do a circle. So it's gonna go neck wrap, circle. And the reason you're doing that extra circle is so that you can switch hands to then get into your reels. So going from your stall, you have 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on 5, what you're going to do is hold the whip in your opposite hand, so now your left, and you're going to do a reel. So what a reel is, it's essentially just bringing your whip under your elbow and bringing it from either the dark wall plane to the front wall plane or from the front wall plane to the dark wall plane. So you're going to be doing a plane change. So if you don't know what a reel is, I do have a tutorial on reels and plane changes. So go check that out if you're not sure how to do a reel. So after you've done 4, you're then gonna switch hands and do a backwards to forwards reel. So you're going from your dark wall plane, under your elbow to the front, and then you're gonna grab your whip. So with the count, what's going to end up happening, you're gonna have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 8, you're going to be grabbing your whip. So we'll just go straight from the beginning. I'll try and do this as slow as possible, but just a reminder, you do have the ability to slow down the video if this is a little bit too hard for you to grasp, or you can also check out the tutorials on wraps and reels and plane changes in order to help you maneuver this move. So starting from our stall to the right, to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you are doing with that reel, you are going 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 8, what you're doing is doing a transition from your fiber grip to your handle grip. So I'm gonna face the back, do it a little bit slow, and then we're gonna move on to the next part. So you have stall to the right, stall to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch hands, reel, grab. So just a little tip, when you are transitioning from your fiber grip to your handle grip, make sure that you have a short enough length that's just a little bit more than shoulder width, because then you are going to be going in to grid work. And if you have your grip here, it's going to be really hard and awkward to do grid work with a whip this long. So it's up to you where you feel comfortable grabbing for grid work, but just keep in mind, once you finish that reel, you're coming into some grid work, so you need to make sure where your grip is where your grip stays. So for our last count of 8, like I said, grid work, what you're going to do, you're going to take your left and bring it up to the vertical. You're gonna take your right, bring it back to the Z plane. You're gonna take your left, bring it to the horizontal. You're gonna take your right, you're gonna bring it up. Then you're gonna bring it down in the Z plane. Bring your left up in the vertical, right up at the horizontal, slide it down together. So with your counts, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do the last 2 counts of 8 all together, and then we're gonna do everything all together. So remember, starting from our stalls. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do everything all together. First I'm going to face the front, then I'm going to face the back so that you get both angles, and then you will have your potentially first 32 count combo. So all together, start from the beginning, put your whip in a circle. So 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, unravel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neck crack. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Unravel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And neck wrap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta-da! If you guys decide to try out this combo and use it, definitely tag me on Instagram so that I can see, because I'd love to see you guys perform this combo. So before we leave, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for that giveaway that's coming up next week. And be sure to comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!